I'm moving different because I want different.
Outrageous, but I own no stranger. You don't make me feel alone. You see that I'm broken, not trying to fit into your mold, and I'm better off alone.
If you love big city, then I know you'll love Bangkok. Bangkok is just a way better version of New York.
Not calling out for you. Yeah, they never wanna trip like you to wear me out.
No matter where I travel to, there's one big thing I always look for in a place to stay, and that's the gym. Fitness is everything, so I always try to find a place that has a nice pool and a nice gym. There's a reason why I keep coming back to this place. I love it so much. The place is clean, the staff is friendly, and you're right in the heart of Bangkok. If you like what you're seeing so far, and you like the rooftop gym, the place I'm staying at is called the Wyndham Garden, and you can stay here for just $105 per night. Here's what the room looks like, starting with the kitchen. This is the full restroom. You got a microwave, a dining table, not to mention the upstairs bedroom. I don't recommend this room if you have bad knees, because it's gonna require you to walk down the stairs. After my workout, I will walk to the Ekamai Mall, where I get my protein smoothie, and it's only 5 minutes from the Wyndham Garden. And just right next to the mall is the Ekamai station, where you can catch the BTS. The BTS is one of the easiest way to get around the city. If you love malls and shopping, then Prong Pong Station is where you want to be. Here, you'll take the skywalk and you'll walk to the new mall called M-Sphere. One thing you notice about Bangkok right away, it's such a walkable city, but you gotta be careful, because unlike the States where cars look out for you, here you gotta look out for the cars. Another thing that I notice about Bangkok is how clean everything is, especially the public restrooms.
But if you're standing with me, don't hold on to the fire till it burns you to the ground.
If the Emporium Mall and the M-Sphere Mall is not enough for you, then you can hop back on the BTS and head on to the Icon Siam Mall. This is definitely one of my favorite malls here. The one cool thing about this mall is that you could take a boat ride here. It's been a long day, now it's time to eat. The food here at Ginger Farm is just so fresh, so good, and everything here is organic, which is, you can definitely taste the difference for sure. I think what makes Thai food taste so good, it's the sauce. So good.